Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to set up like IP configuration and verification in Mac. So you have to go to the Mac, you can see this Mac button, and then you have to click on system settings. So you can see this option system settings. Click here. Here you will see so many options. You have to go to the network app. So you have to scroll down and look for the network. Okay. So once you scroll down, you see this network option, just click on this network option. You can see Wi-Fi connected here. If you want to configure IP address manually, you can do it by just going to details here, and you can see go to TCP IP. By default it is configure IP version 4 automatically using DHCP. You have to click on this and click on manually. Okay, and now manually you can set up an IP address here. How to do this? Click on OK first. First, you can see this IP address. On this IP address, you can type any IP address 192.168, suppose 29.200. I've given this IP address. Then subnet mask accordingly, C class, and the router IP, that is the gateway IP, which is your router IP. Just give it and then click on OK and done. Now your machine has a IP address. You can click on details and you can see the IP address is 192.168.29.200. This is your manual IP. So in this way you can statically or manually configure IP address on your MacBook. Thank you for watching.